Hello, I'm Simon. Welcome back to the workshop. And this is going to be a very short video on a modification I've made to my mitre fence on my sliding table to get round one of the biggest problems of it. And it's a problem that I did highlight when I reviewed this sliding table and the table saw, so I'll just quickly recap what the problem is. Quite conveniently, this sliding table comes with a nice sliding stop with micro adjustments and a nice hold down clamp so you can hold your material onto the table. The problem, which I'm sure some of you have already realised, is this. This gets in the way of the sliding stop. You can take the sliding stop off and slide it this side, but you still end up with a gap here that you can't put the sliding stop in, and that to me is a real problem, because whenever I need to use a sliding stop, you can bet your life it's where this is. Now you can take this off, makes the matter a little bit better, but you still hit the main bar, and this bar, if you take this bar off, it's actually the thing that the whole mitre fence tilts by, so you can't really remove it. So what I've done using a lathe down at my local Model Engineering Society is I cut the bar in half, left enough so that this can slide straight past. I then faced off both ends, drilled both ends, and then added a piece of M10 thread. So now if I need the sliding stop to be here, I can dispense with the clamp, and I've now got the full range of positions for the sliding stop, which is a lot more important to me than the clamp. But I still have the original clamp available because I can screw this back on, tighten it up, and if I need to use the clamp, it's still there. So this is only really a mod you can do if you've got a lathe. I did think we could possibly do it with a decent pillar drill, but getting the holes dead centre is going to rely on quite a lot of accuracy, the sort of accuracy you only really get when you use a lathe. And so I think this is a lathe only type project. But if you've got one of these, then I'd highly recommend making this change. It does make it a lot more useful and a lot more convenient without losing any of the original functionality. And Axminster, if you're watching, you should make them like this. Well, I said this would be a short video, and hopefully I haven't disappointed you. I just want to have a bit of a shout out to my local Model Engineering Society for the help that they gave me in setting up the lathe and supervising me while I used it to do this mod. I couldn't have done it without them. If you've got any questions, then please leave them in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, then please leave a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.